The COVID-19 vaccine is being billed as the light at the end of the tunnel, but that finish line still may be far off for New Mexicans. News 13's Brittany Bade is live from home with the story.
Lizzie, pending federal approval, 17,550 doses of Pfizer's vaccine will be on the way to New Mexico. Though today, Dr. David Scray says we may be well into next year before every New Mexican who wants a vaccine can get one.
I have a number in my head where I think that maybe 60 or 70% of our population will end up being vaccinated, but I think it's toward the end of the summer, not April or May.
Dr. Scray says that is a projection and it is possible it will change. Scray says the only way to truly know that answer is when he knows how many vaccines are physically in the state and are going into people's arms, which of course is currently 0. The initial 17,550 doses will vaccinate frontline healthcare workers. Dr. Scray says hospitals across the state are now in the crisis standard of care, which means doctors could have to start rationing care. Healthcare workers are also utilizing what is called the hub and spoke model to transfer patients to hospitals that have beds, as well as transfer personnel or equipment to hospitals that need it.
There's a hub system that is short on ventilators, and we were able to call across the system, asked a couple of hubs, and they were able to procure some ventilators, and the state helped us to transport ventilators to that hub hospital.
To keep up with demand, the state has recruited travel nurses, prepared pediatricians to treat adults, and created a roster of personnel working at smaller practices who could work in a hospital. Now, coming up tonight on News 13 at 5:30, we will tell you the method that doctors may have to start using to decide which patients get acute care and which don't. Lizzie, back to you.
Okay, thank you, Brittany. The FDA is expected to make a decision on Pfizer's vaccine this week and could also authorize Moderna's next. The earliest vaccine shipping date for New Mexico is a week from today.